Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangbaha Kejala, Konrad ki sangma haka arpulai terik ujeliau arajar arpsan. Ulakentho ya kasorkar jongkari United States kapakeno baka Meghalaya bat kiwe ki jela kathan shatai lamingi kari India bakimlong ki jaka ki Shngaiñ Ïakynduh jungo kai prathai. Dang khendiat sngi kasorkar United States kalapenmi ya kajingptha kapakentu Ïakynduh shnong jongkari Amerika bakinom lej sang suwari sham Meghalaya bat shaki jela kathan shatai lamingi kari India bakimlong satya ki jaka ki Shngaiñ. Hakabaydai batkani Konrad sangma ulaong ba unsalet ban Ïakynduh Markhmat yo ambassador kari United States ban yakaran sani halor kani kabenta.
Meghalaya, which is actually very unfair because none of the criteria and aspects which they mentioned in their notification is correct. So I will be meeting the US ambassador personally. I will be going and representing all the facts and figures to them clearly, so that they will be able to take the correct decision and rectify this kind of a status that has been given to us, which is completely wrong. And I hope that we'll be able to rectify it. I will use the MEA as well as the MHA and approach the US Embassy and other nations also who have this kind of a negative thought that we'll be able to change that. So we will try our best. Let's hope. But in the meantime, I think what is important is that we continue to welcome our tourists as much as we can. Government is going to support. I am also very close to finalizing a cadre, I should say, especially for the tourism policing. So we are looking at a special cadre of tourist police, especially in the very heavy tourist zones, who will be kind of a quasi, kind of semi police, personnel, but mostly with tourism aspect. Will help them and guide them, provide security, information, safety, all of these aspects. So we are working on it. There are many states and nations that have this model. So we are looking at that aspect also because
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.